Hi everyone, so today I made some almond muffins. These are gluten-free, super tasty and healthy muffins. Look at that, look how it looks, so nice and soft. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the notification bells for any other new recipes. So for this recipe I had 2 eggs, quarter cup coconut oil, 3/4 cup coconut cream, quarter cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup coconut flour, 3/4 cup tapioca flour, quarter cup coconut sugar, quarter cup chia seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and then 1 cup milk, and added another cup of milk. I mix everything very well and then transferred everything into a muffin baking trays. Now for the toppings, I had some hemp seeds and some almonds. So I sprinkle everything on top, and then later I preheated the oven at 450 degrees and bake for 40 minutes. Look at the outcome, so nice, soft and yummy. If you want to try this recipe, I'm telling you, you won't regret. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to share the video and like and press the notification bell for more videos.